Now we need to find a percentage of a number, but rather than dividing by 100 and then multiplying by the percentage, we're going to try to use more efficient methods. So first, we need to find 15% of 800. Now we know that to find 10%, we can divide by 10, and 800 divided by 10 is 80. Now to find 5%, we can find half of 10%, and half of 80 is 40. So now to find 15%, we can just add our answers for 10% and 5%. 80 plus 40 is 120, so we know that 15% of 800 must be 120. Now we need to find 99% of 900. Now to find 1%, we can divide by 100, and 900 divided by 100 is 9. But if 1% is 9, then 99% must be 900 minus 9, because 99% and 1% together make 100% of the number. 900 minus 9 is 891, so that's our answer. Now we need to find 55% of 400. To find 50%, we can divide by 2 or find half of a number, and half of 400 is 200. Now if 50% is 200, then 5% must be 20, because 5% is 1/10 of 50% and 20 is 1/10 of 200. So because we want to find 55%, we can add our answers to 50% and 5%, and 200 plus 20 is 220. Now let's find 70% of 380. To find 10%, we can divide by 10. 380 divided by 10 is 38. But that's 10%, and we want to find 70%. Now 70 is 7 times 10, so to find 70%, we can take our answer for 10% and multiply it by 7. We can use column multiplication for this. 8 times 7 is 56, so 5 6. 3 times 7 is 21, plus 5 is 26, so our answer is 266.